Welcome to Kids Educational Story. Please subscribe to our channel now. Once upon a time, in the heart of the vast and endless ocean, there was a calm and peaceful world. In this world, lived a young and curious whale named Wally. He loved exploring and meeting new friends. Wally's favorite playmates were the colorful fish, always painting the ocean with their joyful patterns. One sunny morning, Wally spotted a mysterious object on the horizon. It was a ship with sails as white as the clouds. With a mixture of curiosity and excitement, Wally swam towards the ship, eager to make new friends. To Wally's surprise, the crew of the ship greeted him with big smiles and friendly waves. On the ship, there was music, dance, and laughter. Wally joined in, creating beautiful memories. But as the day turned to night, a mighty storm approached, and the sea grew wild and dangerous. Wally, the brave whale, knew he had to help. He pushed the ship away from the treacherous rocks with all his might. The storm eventually passed, and the sailors were safe. They thanked Wally with tears of joy and warm smiles. With heavy hearts, Wally and the sailors bid each other farewell, promising to cherish the memories forever. Wally returned to his underwater world, sharing tales of adventure with his colorful fish friends. And so, the story of Wally the Whale and his extraordinary adventure became a cherished lesson for generations to come. The moral of the story is simple but profound: be brave, be kind, and the world will be a better place for all. The end of one adventure is just the beginning of another, as the sun sets on another day in the endless ocean.